First thing we want to talk about with you is the Mrs. Ying signature bedding collection that we're having an incredible sale on. 50% off, plus get a free 100% cotton fitted sheet. And this is available for you guys, by the way, when you go out, and it's valid between August 1st and August 31st. We know that we actually sent out some information via the newsletter, and it's also in the back office with all the details. But this is one of those promotions we like to run in the summer. We know a lot of people, this is a product a lot of people want. Some people feel like it's one of our more expensive products, and we can run this type of discount. We're always excited about it because we get back rave reviews about how this really does really shift people's ability to have restful sleep. So wanted to kind of answer a question there, because some of the questions started coming to customer service, especially for some of our newer distributors, not really understanding the value proposition, or the difference, if you will, between what we're offering and maybe even functional bedding and maybe even traditional bedding out there. So we wanted to actually put this PowerPoint together for you really quickly and first show you how the common functional bedding is created out there. And basically, as you take a look at this, what these companies are doing is they're taking their sheets and they're ultimately dipping them, if you will, into different chemical agents that contain chitin. That's their method, if you will, for developing functional bedding. And they do that, and as a result, what you end up with is you end up with functional bedding, right? You end up with these sheets that have chitin kind of on them, maybe not necessarily in them, but on them, because it was simply dipped into chitin, utilizing some of these chemical agents to make the chitin kind of adhere to the bedding. And then they sell that off as functional bedding because, again, chitin is very good for you. Now, I want to show you what happens with Mrs. Jing collection. First of all, I do know that there are some people who may not really understand what chitin is, and we use bamboo charcoal fiber as well. I'm pretty sure everybody understands what cotton is, but chitin is a very powerful material. It's antibacterial, regulates humidity, absorbs moisture, and it's non-toxic, and it's environmentally friendly. So that's why we're utilizing chitin, and that's why the industry uses chitin. And then bamboo charcoal fibers, guys, again, insulates heat, eliminates odor, regulates moisture, antibacterial, reflects far infrared rays. It's anti-mite, anti-mold, even anti-static. So again, some great fibers that you want to have in your bedding. Now, I said in your bedding, not on your bedding. And that's the difference between what we do. We have a very proprietary blending system that we use, where we take all of these fibers and we combine them so they're interwoven. So it's really a part of the fabric, not just something that's on the fabric. And that's a very key difference. This is a much more intricate process, time consuming, expensive, but definitely worth it for a couple of reasons. When you look at the comparison here, what you'll see is that with our collection, we've got this functional fabric now, right? And it's environmentally friendly. It's gone through this intricate process, but the biggest thing is superior washing durability. The properties of the chitin, the properties of the bamboo, are going to last far longer than they would if you just had the common functional bedding, where all they've done is dip it in a chemical solution. In fact, due to the heavy use of the chemicals, and this varies from company to company, but some of these functional beddings may not even be really that safe because they're utilizing chemicals that aren't that great for you to get the chitin to adhere to the fabric. And oh, by the way, just after a few washes, very often this common functional bedding loses all of its additional properties. So again, it's a big difference what we're offering. So if you're out there, and maybe you're not a bedding expert, but you want to talk this up to some of your customers, or maybe you're just interested in getting this for yourself because the discount is there and it's so extreme, guys, definitely take advantage of it. And wanted to give you some information in a way that you could really explain this to your troops so they understand how to go market this as well. So again, all of this information once again came out to you through your email and newsletter, and it's all actually contained in your back office as well. So you guys will be very good with that side of it. And if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate. You can always call into customer service and get those questions answered.